Why can Japanese cars run a million miles and still feel smooth as new, while many cars from other countries break down after just a few years? The secret isn't the technology, it's how the Japanese treat their vehicles. They don't wait for something to break before fixing it. They care for every little detail every day, like tending a bonsai tree. In this video, I'll share 15 super practical habits the Japanese use to make their cars last a lifetime. Apply just a few, and your car will be completely different. Like this video so more people can see it. (15) Clean electrical connectors regularly. Did you know a single oxidized connector can trigger a flood of random error codes? Most electrical issues aren't caused by bad sensors or the ECU. They come from dirty or corroded connectors. A thin layer of dust, moisture, or tiny rust spots is enough to scramble signals, light up the check engine light, and cause weak starting, flickering fans, or jerky shifting. People end up spending hundreds on diagnostics and parts when simply cleaning the connector fixes it. In Japan, technicians treat connector cleaning as a must-do routine. During every service, they unplug each one, spray it with electrical contact cleaner, let it dry, then apply a thin layer of dielectric grease to block moisture and rust. This keeps signals stable, sensors accurate, and the ECU from guessing bad data. A few minutes of work prevents fake errors and saves a ton on repairs. Modern cars have dozens of sensors and modules. Dirty connectors are a top cause of random glitches. Regular cleaning keeps the electrical system rock solid. Faster starts, brighter lights, and sensors that respond perfectly. A quick check every few months can save you from being stranded over one dusty plug. 14. Clean and recalibrate the throttle body. The throttle body controls airflow into the engine, and if it gets even slightly dirty, the whole system suffers. Oil, carbon buildup, and dust from the intake stick to the butterfly valve, preventing it from closing fully and throwing off airflow. The result? Hard starting, unstable idle, sluggish acceleration, or even stalling at stops. Many rush to replace spark plugs, sensors, or air filters without realizing the real problem is the throttle body. Japanese mechanics clean and recalibrate the throttle body regularly, even before symptoms appear. They remove the assembly, spray it with dedicated cleaner, gently wipe it dry, then reset and recalibrate the valve position so the ECU reads it correctly. Once done, the engine starts smoothly. Throttle response is sharp and fuel delivery is spot on. On older, high-mileage cars, thick buildup forces the ECU to constantly compensate, wasting fuel and wearing parts faster. Regular cleaning and calibration let the engine breathe properly, maintain performance, and extend the life of plugs, valves, and the transmission. It takes less than an hour but keeps the car running smooth and strong like new. 13. Clean the MAF sensor regularly. Ever notice your car feels weak and guzzles more gas and you can't figure out why? Check engine light on, sluggish throttle, slight engine shake. Even after fresh oil and new plugs, the culprit is often the MAF sensor, a tiny but critical part that measures incoming air so the ECU can calculate the right fuel mix. When it gets dusty or oily, readings go bad and fuel injection gets thrown off. The engine runs rough, burns extra gas, and loses power. In Japan, cleaning the MAF is basic maintenance, like changing oil or checking tires. Just remove the sensor, lightly spray the sensing element with MAF cleaner, let it dry, and it's good as new. The whole process takes minutes, but the difference is huge. Snappier throttle, smoother starts, and noticeable fuel savings. A clean sensor lets the ECU work accurately, improves combustion, and prevents a cascade of small issues. Do it at the right time, and your car feels reborn after one simple step. 12. Warm up the engine gradually. Most mornings, people start the car and take off immediately, thinking, it's a modern engine, no need to warm up. But that habit wears the engine fast, especially in cold weather. Right after starting, oil is thick and hasn't reached pistons, camshafts, or bearings. Flooring it now causes metal-on-metal friction you can't see. After a few years, the engine gets noisier, thirstier, and weaker. In Japan, drivers follow a disciplined habit called gradual warm-up. They don't idle for 15 minutes or gun it right after starting. Instead, they let the engine idle for about 30 seconds so oil circulates, then drive gently for the first few minutes. No hard acceleration or sudden shifts. This lets parts expand evenly, oil lubricate fully, and engine temperature stabilize quickly. A Japanese engineer once said, "An engine is like a body. Warm it up slowly to make it last." Change this one small habit, and you'll cut internal wear dramatically, keep performance steady, and add hundreds of thousands of miles to your engine's life. 11. Change oil based on actual driving conditions. A lot of people still believe the manual says 6,000 miles, so change it right at that mark. But it's not that simple. The manufacturer gives an average number. Real oil life depends on how you drive in daily conditions. If you mostly drive in the city with constant stop and go or idle for long periods, oil degrades much faster than on steady highway trips. Engine oil doesn't just lubricate, it cools and cleans too. When it oxidizes or picks up contaminants, protection drops sharply. The car still runs fine outside, but inside, pistons, cams, and bearings wear down bit by bit. By the time you hear knocking or notice oil loss, it's too late. In Japan, mechanics decide oil changes based on the car's real condition, not blindly following the book. Heavy city driving means change sooner. Open road cars can go a little longer. This approach might sound more expensive, but it actually saves money. One early oil change can prevent a $1,000 engine repair. And remember, dark oil isn't always bad, but if it loses viscosity or smells burnt, change it immediately. You'd be awesome if you liked this video. 10. Check all fluids weekly. Most people only pop the hood when something's wrong, but Japanese mechanics do it every week. Just one fluid running low, engine oil, coolant, or brake fluid, can put the whole engine at serious risk. These small things often go unnoticed until a warning light comes on, and by then, it's too late. Low engine oil causes parts to run dry and overheat fast. Leaking coolant leads to overheating and can crack the cylinder head in minutes. Dirty or thin brake fluid makes the pedal spongy and unresponsive, extremely dangerous at high speeds. In Japan, drivers don't wait for warnings. They open the hood weekly to check the levels, color, and smell of every fluid as a habit. It takes less than 5 minutes but catches leaks, low levels, or odd color changes early. Dark brake fluid, foamy coolant, or unusually thin engine oil, all are red flags. 9. Replace critical parts before they fail. Most people replace parts only when they break. A snapped timing belt, leaking water pump, or dead battery. In Japan, the philosophy is the opposite. Replace them before trouble starts. It sounds costly, but it's the smartest way to save. A new timing belt costs a few dozen bucks. If it breaks while driving, pistons can smash valves and wreck the engine. Repairs then run thousands. The same goes for water pumps, tensioners, and bearings. While still working, they might make faint noises or leak a drop, signs many ignore. Japanese mechanics don't. They inspect on schedule and replace ahead of time, treating it like engine insurance. Even batteries get swapped on a timeline, not when they finally die. This habit means their cars almost never break down on the road or need towing. Every critical part stays in top shape. No small failure snowballs into major damage. Don't wait for the car to speak up. By then, it's too late. Replace early, spend less, and drive with total peace of mind. 8. Full vehicle inspection every 10,000 miles. Many think maintenance is just oil and filters, but the Japanese go further. Every 10,000 miles, they do a complete top-to-bottom inspection, no detail skipped. They check suspension, chassis, hoses, wiring, every bolt, and rubber bushings. It seems overly meticulous, but this attention to detail is why Japanese cars are famous for lasting forever with few minor issues. A loose bolt can cause vibration, crack mounts, snap hoses, or leak oil. A tiny torn rubber bushing can spread shaking through the system, damaging sensors and cracking plastic. Japanese techs don't wait for problems. They inspect, tighten, and replace small parts to stop issues from growing. The 10,000-mile check doesn't take long, but it spots early signs drivers usually miss: rust spots, worn wiring, and aging hoses. 7. Reset the battery and ECU for minor errors. When the check engine light comes on, most people rush to the shop and spend hundreds on diagnostics. But sometimes the fix is simpler than you think. The ECU works like a computer. It logs thousands of data points while driving. One bad signal, a damp sensor, or a voltage dip can trigger the light even if nothing is actually broken. In Japan, technicians try a simple step first before replacing parts. Reset the ECU and battery. They disconnect the negative terminal for a few minutes to clear temporary memory, then reconnect. This returns the ECU to default, wipes phantom codes, and lets it read all sensors fresh. In many cases, one quick reset turns the light off, and the car runs normally again. This isn't a hack. It's a logical first check before assuming a sensor or module is bad. If the code returns after reset, then dig deeper. Resetting saves time and money and prevents replacing perfectly good parts, something pros always do first. 6. Clean fuel injectors regularly. Most people only think about fuel injectors when the car starts lagging, guzzling gas, or struggling to start in the morning. By then, it's too late. Carbon, oil, and grime have built up in the nozzles, so fuel no longer sprays evenly across the cylinders. The engine works harder, power drops, and fuel use spikes. In Japan, cleaning injectors is a key routine maintenance step, not something you wait for symptoms to force. They do it practically. Pour a dedicated cleaner into the gas tank or hook up a tool directly to the fuel rail. The solution flows through each injector, dissolving carbon, oil, and debris. No disassembly, no fancy equipment, but the results are clear. Smoother idle, sharper throttle, cleaner exhaust. A dirty injector forces the ECU to overcompensate with fuel, wearing spark plugs faster and risking pre-ignition in the combustion chamber. Cleaning every 10,000-15,000 miles keeps the fuel system accurate, maintains performance, and extends engine life. 5. Check and clean mass wires. Most drivers forget that mass wires are the foundation of the entire electrical system. Just one corroded, loose, or oily connection can trigger a chain of electronic glitches. Dim headlights, weak starting, false sensor readings, or erratic shifting. People spend thousands replacing ECUs and sensors when the real problem is a single oxidized ground wire. Japanese technicians treat ground wire checks and cleaning as mandatory routine maintenance. They remove each connector, scrub it with a wire brush, then apply a thin layer of conductive grease to prevent rust from returning. It's a simple step, but it stabilizes current flow, lets the ECU read data accurately, and makes starting noticeably stronger. After cleaning grounds, many cars get brighter lights, quieter starters, and no more random warning codes. If you've had your car a few years and never cleaned the grounding system, that could be the hidden weak spot making it run inconsistently. 4. Maintain the battery carefully to extend its life. The battery powers the whole electrical system, but most people only notice it when the car won't start. In reality, far too many batteries fail not from poor quality, but from neglect. When voltage slowly drops without being recharged, the lead plates inside sulfate, permanently reducing charge capacity. Once that happens, no amount of charging can save it. The Japanese take great care of batteries, If the car will sit unused for weeks, they disconnect the negative terminal or use a battery maintainer to keep voltage stable. They also regularly clean terminals and cables, wiping off white-gray corrosion and applying protective grease to stop rust. Just a few minutes of care keeps starting easy and the electrical system reliable. A healthy battery helps the ECU, sensors, and electronic transmission work accurately. Low voltage causes bad data, triggers warning lights, and makes people think there's a major fault. Keep voltage at 12.6 V or higher, check regularly, and replace when weak. That's how you stretch battery life from 3 years to 7 to 8. 3. Absolute control over the cooling system. The cooling system is the engine's most important shield, yet it's the most overlooked. Just one small leak, old hose, or dirty radiator can cause overheating, and once the temperature needle hits red, the damage can be a cracked head, blown gasket, or total engine failure. The good news? Nearly all of these disasters are preventable with regular checks. In Japan, technicians treat the cooling system as a top priority. They change coolant on schedule, not waiting for it to turn brown or get gritty. They never mix different coolant types. One wrong chemical reaction can clog water passages. They also clean the outside of the radiator, removing dust, leaves, and bugs that seem harmless but block airflow and trap heat. Check operating temperature, radiator cap pressure, hoses, and water pump every 10,000 miles to avoid almost all overheating risks. If the temp rises abnormally, don't push it a few more minutes. Pull over and fix it immediately. 2. Treat the AC like a critical system. The air conditioning isn't just for comfort, it's complex and directly affects engine performance. When AC works poorly, the compressor runs longer, adding load to the engine, increasing fuel use and heat. Often, weak AC is an early warning of cooling or electrical issues. In Japan, AC maintenance is part of overall care, not a luxury add-on. They change the cabin air filter regularly for smooth airflow, check refrigerant levels, and clean the evaporator and condenser coils to prevent thick dust buildup. Clogged lines or low gas force the compressor to overwork, quickly wearing bearings and seals. Early checks prevent breakdowns and keep cooling consistent. A clean AAC system also reduces cabin humidity, prevents mold and bad smells, keeps windows from fogging in cold weather, and maintains a dry, healthy interior. 1. Think of your car like family. The Japanese see their car differently. It's not just transportation, it's a trusted companion, even a family member. That's why they care for it daily, not just when something breaks. Every odd noise, tiny leak, or strange smell is a signal worth checking. Thanks to that mindset, their cars rarely have minor issues and run smoothly even after hundreds of thousands of miles. Their care isn't dramatic, just small, consistent actions. Gentle morning starts, proper warm-up, timely oil changes, fluid checks, and hand washing instead of high-pressure sprays. To them, every action shows respect for the machine that serves them. A Japanese engineer once said, "A car is like a person. If you care for it daily, it will never let you down." When a driver truly understands their car, listens to it, and maintains it right, the car lasts longer, saves more, and stays safer. Car longevity doesn't come from luck or brand, it comes from how you treat it every day. These 15 small habits are the real secret behind Japanese cars running millions of miles, smooth, efficient, and reliable. Start with the basics, check, clean, replace on time, and drive a little gentler. Care for your car consistently, and it will reward you with peace of mind on every journey, durable, dependable, and never leaving you stranded. If you learned something new today, comment the number 2.